Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore Windows credentials on Windows 11. So for this case, we will go to the search things. Now we have to write the direct credential. This credential manager. Click. Now we will do the Windows credentials. So here the restore. We want to do the restoring thing. So click here. Backup location, backup file location. That means where we want to backup. So click here. So we have previous this USB drive if and the see this file has been credential backup files. So click open, and the next we'll give the password. So press Ctrl Alt Del, press Ctrl Alt Del. See the password, that means before we have given the password 123. Next, see your log on credentials have been restored. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.